Hello YouTube, it's me 17 Dark Lord. Today I'm going to show you how you install the BakkesMod for Rocket League. It's the Epic version on Linux. I tested it with Fedora 39 and with YNGE Proton 8. I tested it with YNGE Proton 8. Yeah. So I already wrote me a text for this, and we just do this what we do. So first of all, we install the BakkesMod. Download. Click here to download. Yes. Then we extract the zip file. I delete it. So what is important? We have to remember the installation path. And we do not create a desktop icon, and we also do not launch the BakkesMod after the installation. So I set my installation path now. It's a bit different from the default one, but that's no problem. It needs some time to load. I take this installation path, it's easier for me. I do not copy it, it's not needed for now. Next, I don't create a desktop icon. I install it. No. Launch BakkesMod, no. Now we go to the installation path. Here it is. And we create a file in there, which we call, for now, you can call it however you want. It's up to you. But I will call it unBakkesModLinux.bat. I will use nano to create the batch file. I close this again, and now I open it in my... Yeah, I know that it has changed. Alright. So, okay, what do we need now? The second step. We need the second step. So first of all, we just copy this. Now we have to set our Rocket League installation path. Okay. Your drive letter for Rocket League. In my case, it's Z. Okay. And now you also know why I installed it in Rocket League, because it's now easier for me to copy the path. So it's important that you notice it's not the Linux path format, so you have to change these slashes to backslash. Okay. And also, what is also important, I can remove this here. Yes, I can remove this. I guess no. Wait. I saved for me my files. I have to watch. I have to look. Let me think. No, not here. Programs, BakkesMod. Yeah, there I have my backup. Alright, it was important. Okay, so this is my line. So you need your drive letter. Okay, in my case it's C. Then you need your full path to the game folder where your executable is in. Yeah, it's important. As you can see, it's also written here. Your drive letter for RocketLeague.exe, your path to RocketLeague.exe, and yeah. So this is my line, and now I need my drive letter for BakkesMod.exe so that the batch file will actually change the path. For me, it's the same letter, it's Z. And yep, it's Z. And then I also need my path, or you need your path to BakkesMod.exe. For me, it's the same folder. Because I have the one BakkesModLinux.bat already in the folder. That means I can just remove this here, and I only have BakkesMod.exe. So this is actually everything what you need. And yeah, maybe important to say is this start here, this has to be in the usual format. You have to use slashes again, so you don't use the backslashes. Backslash is for Windows writing, and the slash is for Linux writing. You can say it in this way, yeah. So this is important. So I saved it, you saved it also. And now we open the Heroics game launcher. Takes some time for me. I try it again. Okay. Okay, it's right. Nice. I don't know. This is new to me, to be honest. I don't know what's happening. Okay, we try it again. Maybe it's working now. Alright, now it's working. Perfect. Now we go to our library. We see our Rocket League. We click on the settings tab. We go to the advanced options, to advanced settings. And we select an alternative exe to run. I already selected the installation folder of my BakkesMod. We select the batch file which we created. Choose. Then we can close this. And yeah, then we run Rocket League. And you will probably see now that the BakkesMod will also run or launch. Yeah, there's it. Yes, we want to update. We may have to close Rocket League again, but that's okay. It's normal. I wonder. Oh, okay, it started now. For me, I tested this I believe 3 times now already, because I had to I had to record the video 3 or 4 times already, because I wasn't fine with how it went, the recording, and yeah. So we close it again. I have to wait some time. Oh yeah, I can see my mouse again. That means I can use my mouse. We launch Rocket League again. Okay, now it's asking me again. I press yes. We also deactivate enable save mode and run on startup. It's maybe also important to say, because otherwise BakkesMod won't inject, because it will notice that we are using a different, you see, It knows we are not using the usual Rocket League version, the Steam version. We use the Epic version, but it's also working because these game versions are the same. And we select yes. And as you can see, it's injected now. Okay. So again, I think it's important. Important is that once you click on update, or once you got this, once you got the graphical user interface here and you update it, you go on settings and disable save mode and run on startup while Rocket League is launching. And then it's working here. F2, blah blah blah, do whatever you want, it's working. That's it. Bye.